I used to plus verb is used to express that you did something regularly or all the time in the past, but do not do it anymore. Examples: I used to work for a car manufacturing company. I used to go to the gym 3 times a week. I used to have very good memory, but things are different now. I used to eat a lot of junk foods. I used to study hard. I used to care for him a lot. I used to go on lots of dates with my husband, but things changed when we had our first baby. I used to give donations. I used to have a lot of cars, but my business failed.